Can you run us through these steps?
Press Mukana is mainly called as of India. Today we wanted to showcase the award as well as also talk something about the current developments and some future plans. So I have with us on the dais Vice Chancellor Professor Ramkrishna Ramaswamy, our former Vice Chancellor. And we have Vice Officer Professor V. Krishna, our Control of Examinations, and Professor A. Ashwini Nangia, who was instrumental in collating the information and
Okay, the University of Hyderabad was established in the year 1974 under the Act of Parliament. This university was established in the combined state of Andhra Pradesh, and over the last 40 years we have been teaching courses at the level of master's level, PhD level and MPhil degrees we have been awarding, and because of excellent quality of faculty members, excellent quality of research they have done, excellent teaching that goes on in the university, we have been regarded with University of Hyderabad has become one of the highly reputed institutions of higher educational learning in the country, and recently we got ourselves accredited by National Assessment and Accreditation Council, which gave a rank of 3.72 over 4. That is very high rank that any university could expect. And because of our efforts in the area of teaching and research, last year the President of India instituted what is called the Visitors Best Award for universities, or Visitors Best University Award. And this award was to be given to the best central university. This year, 2015, University of Hyderabad was selected for this award, the Visitors Best University Award. This award was given on the basis of recommendations of a selection committee consisting of Secretary of Ministry of Human Resource Development, UGC Chairperson, DST scientists, IIT Delhi Director, and Professor Mashelkar, who was former Director General of CSIR. So this award was given to us for the work we have done in the area of research, teaching, innovations, and the kind of variety of activities that we have started on the campus, which includes innovative programs of teaching, innovative courses, and new areas of research. And these are the factors that went into our application for this award. And we have a list of these factors that were considered by the committee for this award. We can give a copy of this to all of you. And I would like our former Vice Chancellor, who laid down his office just a week ago, he was also very instrumental in trying to encouraging us to apply for this award. And Professor Nangia, Ashwin Nangia, he was the one who collated all the information and uploaded this information to the President's office website. And that's how we got this award. This award was given on the 4th of this month at the Central University Vice Chancellors Conference, which the President of India has called for. The conference was attended by Ministry of Human Resource Development, UGC Chairperson, Vice Chairperson, and all the vice chancellors of central universities. So at this conference, the president urged upon all central universities to be more active in research front, to be more innovative, and to be more to introduce choice-based credit system, which we have been doing right from day one. We have a semester system, we have a credit system for last 15 years. So on all these counts, our university stands top. That's why this award was given to us.